The Two of Wands Dominion is the first decanate of Aries, and it's ruled by Mars. So Mars is exalted, and no, it's not exalted, it rules Aries. It's a very powerful card of energy. It's the first 10 days of spring, from the 21st of March to around the 1st of 30th of April. Is it 1st of April? Something like that. And he says this card pertaining to Chokmah in the Sutafar represents the will in its most exalted form. So with the Ace, it was the root of the inception of will. It hasn't happened. And suddenly on bang, we're into will in its most exalted form. It is an ideal will, independent of any given object. Now that's an interesting point as well. It is not the will to do anything particular, it's just will. It's just energy bursting out. And he gives a quote from Libral, chapter 1, verse 44. For pure will, unassuaged of purpose, delivered from the lust of result, is every way perfect. Delivered from the lust of result. That's an important thing, because in magical and occult terms, you kind of do magical operations as a way of achieving something, but it's just will for the purpose of will. You're just doing it for the will, not for the gain that you get. That's how true magic works. And it says the background of this card shows the power of the planet Mars in his own side Aries, the first of the signs. It therefore represents energy initiating a current of force. So when you want to start something, Aries is about starting things. It's not about finishing. You start it. And it says that the actual Two of Wands on there, the cross that you see there, it says the two dorjos crossed. The dorje is the Tibetan symbol of the thunderbolt, the symbol of celestial power, but more in its destructive than its creative form. So now we're going to destruction. We haven't even started creation yet. So then he says, for destruction may be regarded as the first step in the creative process. We're saved. The virgin ovum must be broken in order to fertilize it. This is going back to kind of the idea of the three gunas as well. We create, destroy, create, maintain, and destroy. Rajas, Sattva, and Tamas. Therefore, it said, thus, with understanding of the complete plan, willing surrender rejoices to cooperate. So just by the fact of just doing these things, you'll find the energies come forward to support your actions. So you don't have to look for them, you just have to do it. It says 6 flames issue from the center, and this indicates the sun who is exalted in Aries. This is the creative will. So we've had 2 or 3 wills in there, haven't we? We've had the will of destruction, the ideal will, and now we're on to the creative will. He also attributes the geomantic figure Pur, which is geomantic symbols. There are 16 of them, and this Pur means boy, which is quite appropriate for Aries as well, because it's something young born. It's a lamb as well. So this is this energy. He's now manifested it into the earth as well. So there's a quick run through of the Two of Wands. And have you noticed, no real divinatory meanings are given on this card. It's more the purpose and use of it. Let's see what he says about Three of Wands virtue.